Welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we're going to show you how we transformed this old hearse to this new, modern, and luxurious hearse. Enjoy! To get to this, first we had to cut off the top part of the body of the old hearse and do some repairs. And since it was in good shape, we opted to use it the way it was. We replaced the old mudguards with these new and modern ones. This is a black sheet piece that we will use in branding by cutting using CNC plasma cutter. This is the result. Splendid. Next is to bend these metallic pipes that make both back and side entries to the hearse. They make an arc that shapes it. After welding, application of body filler was our next move, and after that was sanding to maximize on the smoothness of the surface, hence ascertaining perfection. The next phase was the base platform, where we used our CNC router to cut rectangular holes on a marine board where rollers would be fitted to help in loading and offloading of the casket. Here, we were fitting it in, and it did perfectly. The rain delayed the paint job, but still, this is an unfinished paint job, and it looks fantastic. The remaining part was covering the viewing area, and glass was not an option because of the curve. Of course, there are curved glasses, but putting other factors into consideration like expansion and contraction, unleveled roads, flexibility, and cost, we opted for a cheaper, transparent, and flexible material. Perspex. Perspex proved to be the best substitute for glass. And with that, the project was almost over. A test drive was done to ensure all was well, and indeed all was well. The shocks were responding well, and the axle was intact. We painted the marine board with a red color to fit the theme and added gold railings to give that luxurious feel to it. There are the rollers. And with that, the project was completed and ready to do its duty. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Ask questions in the comment section and suggest what you would like to see in our upcoming videos. Until next time, goodbye.